keep you close and savor the moment. You raise my hopes and don't even know it. In a life that's upside down, somehow you turn me around. So stay another night, 'cause all we have is
drama. Yeah, I've been running and running to keep it 100, it's all that I wanted. But lately I don't get the stomach. The higher the summit, the harder the plummet. They know me all over this planet. I'm just a man and I can't understand it. Proud that I win and I did it myself. Probably wouldn't if I got the help. Hearing subliminals all on myself. Feel like I'm breaking, I'm falling to hell. Told me I'm sick and I tell her, oh well. Rather be dead than to know that I failed. Live for the chase, life is a race. I'm out of space, so me get on my face. I got a taste, well the whole plate finna get laced if you step out of place. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Get on sight like and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like been down and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like never really know when you're gonna go. Why you gotta put another foot in front of yours? Bury them toes, carry them close. I was never one to care about my mentos. I was like froze, now I'm on floor. Give me that smoke, but I can't get high. We do the most, here to inspire. Doing what I'm supposed, but I can't get tired. Run for your life every night. See in the dark, blind by the light. I got the spark, I got the pipes. All of my arts coming to life. Had to face my fears while I chased my peers, and I found my spot. About time that I found myself. I've been out here walking that walk. Like, first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like first off, you don't run nothing. All talk and your team bluff it. My squad, we all dream crush it. We ain't rushing, no discussion. All I know is I was made for this. Paid for this, yeah, slave for this. Been down and I'ma get it right. Dead on sight like and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like big down and I'ma get it right, dead on sight like
Hey, good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Welcome back to the stream. I appreciate every single one of you for coming through to the streams. Welcome back. It's Monday. Time to tune into these charts. Let's go. Let's see what we got today. Actually, before we tune into the charts, let me get that water bottle behind me. Let me get a 111 in the chat. 111 in the chat. Let's start us off with some positivity. Daily affirmation. Let me see that 111 in the chat for me. Jose, Leslie, Jess, 7, Maria, William, Johnny, Abby, V, Chrome, what's up, what's up? All right, February 24th, 2025. Your life is already moving in the direction of your dominant thoughts. Make sure they're leading you somewhere you actually want to go. Very true. You are what you create, chat. You are the co-creator of your life. So if you think that you only deserve this much, guess what? Life is going to keep handing you this much. You may say, well, Linz, I want this. It's not about what you want. It's about what you believe you deserve. Keep that in mind. All right. That's going to be our quote of the day. Here we go. Checking out Forex Factory. See if we have any news. Not really any news today. Pretty much normal day. It may be a little slow, it may not be, but we'll see what happens. Alrighty. Alright, so I kind of already did a quick analysis on gold already. Analysis as in I placed my levels. But we're going to talk about it. So let's bring it on a daily time frame, because I want you to see that we were in this range for a couple of days, and now we're shooting up above this range, right? We're shooting up above this range here. So if we take a look at it on the 4 hour, you can kind of see us shooting above this range. Looks a little different here, but this is, let me draw it for you. This was the top of that range, right? So we're shooting above that range. Looks like we're driving up. We just now smacked one of my levels here at 29.68. So I believe if we continue pushing there, we should be making it up towards 29.73 area. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for if we continue up bullish today. And that is approximately another 56 points above. All right, so yeah, I'm looking to see if price continues to push bullish. I already have my levels here and what I'm looking at. As far as if we get a retracement first, we'll see. I mean, price does look pretty strong here. Let's take a look at this on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, price looks pretty strong. And what I'm looking for to see is if we continue driving up, we may just fill out this range up here, right? It's not too big of a range. It is going to be a little tough. I mean, we do see that we have resistance coming up, right? So it's going to be interesting trading gold. It does almost feel like you missed all the volume, right? We just had this pump up from down here, about 150 points. You know, when I say this pump up, I'm going to zoom in a little bit so you can see this. We had a nice pullback and a launch, right? So it's like, well, are we going to get a pullback? I don't know. We'll see. If we get a pullback, maybe that'll be nicer, right? That'll be more favorable. If we do get that pullback today, then I will look towards this level right here at 29.64. So that's about 40 points below where we are right now. And then maybe a continuation up. So that could be the play, or we may just push through here. We'll see what price has to offer. All right. If you take a look in the chat, that Apex sale has been extended till March 4th. You can get a 50K for $30. All right. Just a reminder there. Let's take a look at this on the 30-minute chart. Yeah, I mean, we're strong, right? We're strong. We had like a miniature pullback in here, right? Because we spiked up to this level, 66, came back down to 61, right? Came back down 50 points, and then we had another launch. So, like I said, we'll see what happens. Just looking at this on the 15-minute. Oh, yeah, look. Kind of had a 15-minute pullback in a way, right? So, yeah, we'll see what happens here. What is it? 6:43. So it's 8:43 New York time. It's looking like we kind of just got that pullback, like I said. So you can see a little bit better here in the 5-minute. That's all right. What I'm gonna do is place this VWAP on now. Let's take a look at where that is. It's way down here. All right. Ah, it was a nice bounce down here at 6 a.m. Look at that. 111. Good morning, Jelani. What's up, Jelani? 7. Did I get you 7? Let's see. It's way down here. Way down there, right? I can be too helpful today. All right, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a miniature one up here. All right, chat, we are in watch mode, right? We're in watch mode because there's no movements right now. We just filled out the range between here and here. So there's really no play to be made, right? Yeah, I probably should have highlighted that. But you know what I think I'm gonna do? I'm gonna delete that. Let's save this as and then let's change this color just so I know the difference. Because they are two different kind of zones here. All right, so the purple zones are a lot stronger than the gray zones, okay? Let me know in the chat, did you take a trade today yet? Did you take a trade? I'm curious. Did you take a trade yet? I'm just gonna add the okay, we don't really need that then. It's way down there. We got about 14 minutes till the hourly closes. I'm just taking a peek at this on a lower time frame. Tarek, what's up, Tarek? You live in the USA. What's the best broker? The best broker is an opinionated question. And yeah, the best broker is an opinionated question, and you don't really need 1 to 500 because what are the chances you're going to make 500 times as what you make unless you're just trying to over leverage your way to the top? And remember, gambling your way to the top is not sustainable for the long term. Sure, you can gamble your way to the top, but you see what all the top gamblers do. They all sell mentorships and courses that cost thousands of dollars. So if you do gamble your way to the top, do be prepared to sell courses and memberships that cost a couple $1,000s each, and do be prepared to become an influencer because that's the only way it is sustainable. Like that answer? That is the truth. All right, let's see. Oh yeah, we are playing the waiting game here, y'all. We are definitely playing the waiting game. We got no choice. Okay, let's see. 12 minutes left on this candle. I know it looks good. Break the top of this high, take the buy, blah, blah, blah. But I'd rather wait than take the impulse here. Oh, chat. By the way, if you notice my screen, It does say GC. I was going through our stop losses the last couple weeks, and they're small enough. I shouldn't say small, but they're sizable enough for us to be on GC rather than micro gold. If we do need to size down to micro gold, let me drag this over for you. If we need to size down to micro gold, then we can easily click up here and come back over to micro gold, and we can attach a symbol to, you know, the blue symbol to our chart and enter micro gold nice and easily if we need to size down for some reason. Okay. And then same thing over here. If for some, now see the stop losses we have on NAS are not as fitting, right? If my stop loss is below 15 points, then I have no problem being on NQ. And there are times when we do get small stop losses, you know, but we don't always get those small stop losses. So, but when we do on occasion, we could switch over to NQ. Let me show you right over here and enter an NQ. But like I said, it is pretty rare. So that's why I just usually have micro NAS up here. But hey, if we get it, we get it, right? If we get it, we get it. So just showing you that there. I live in Texas. All I see is futures, which sucks. Yeah, I mean, that's just an opinion. I mean, hey, if that's your opinion, that's great, right? That's awesome that you think that. You know, everyone has an opinion about everything. If we all like the same thing, you know how much life would suck? Oh my God. Imagine if everybody liked the same thing, chat. Like, can you imagine if everybody liked the same t-shirt as you and wore it? What the hell? That'd be so freaking boring. Oh, that would be crazy. I would hate for someone to like everything I like. Ugh. Oh no. I'd be like, nope, I gotta change my shirt. Nope. Nope. Imagine if everyone owned the same business. Holy, that'd be, that'd be crazy. Thank goodness we are all different people. Thank goodness we all like different things. Thank goodness there's a lot of differentiations, right? Holy. We're still kind of stuck in this area here on gold, around 68 level. Alright, it's playing around. Play. Jennifer, what's your opinion on straight funded to prop? Well, skipping the funded level. Or I think you mean like skipping the challenge and go straight to being funded, right? Yeah, I mean, that's cool. Just know that the prices are going to be higher, and you may want to read the rules because although Tradeify has that, if you read the rules, you do have to reach profit targets to get paid. So it's not like you're skipping the challenge and you get to withdraw just after 10 days of profit. No, you have to reach their profit target to get paid. So that's the only thing, is they're still making you reach a profit target. So it's kind of like, still got to reach that profit target to get paid. So, I mean, it's really up to you. But if you can't beat the challenge, then you can't be full-time anyway, or part-time, or sustainable, right? If you can't beat a challenge, then you're not even consistent anyway, because it should be, you know, all it takes is consistency to beat the challenge, and risk management and being able to adapt and adjust, you know? So, yeah, I mean, there's pros and cons to it, you know? Pros and cons. But yeah, read the fine print on Tradeify, y'all, because I know that's the one that comes to the top of my head as far as skipping the challenge, going straight to funded. I don't know if there's another company. Let me know in the chat. But the only one I know of for futures is Tradeify. So, but yeah, it's kind of like you advertise straight to funded, but you don't push in people's face that they have to hit those profit targets to get paid. So it's like, That's in the small print. You read the small print, y'all, before you buy something. How do I add the 20 How do I add the 20 EMA indicator to my charts? You click on the word indicator and you type it in. Right up here, it says indicators, right? My guess would be wherever it says indicators, right? If I take 5 minutes out of my day and I try to find something, right? This is the thing, chat. If you want to do something entrepreneurial, you claim you want to be your own boss, you want to do all these things, you have to have the ability to try to solve something, right? And to solve something, either A, you look it up, or B, you sit here and you try to figure it out. If you can't figure it out, hey, you can't figure it out. As long as you try. But make sure we try. So if you click on indicators and you type EMA, and you can add it to your chart, and then you go over to the settings of it, right? And you can change it to 20. That's simple. Now this is on this platform, but on any platform, ready? Any platform that you're on has a place where you can click on indicators. It's going to be different for different platforms, but it's always going to say indicator. Okay, let's see. We got about 5 minutes till this hour really close. I'm sure the break of this high got a lot of people. I won't be surprised. And this is why you want to have a setup that you're waiting for, because if you just impulse every single trade, well, that could be why you're taking a lot of L's, right? The goal is to minimize losses and to get better accuracy with your wins, right? And sometimes, most times, it's not having FOMO, right? If this goes and shoots up, I don't care. Okay, right? But if you're having FOMO where you're like, oh no, I think it's going to shoot up and I'm going to miss out on this opportunity, you're not missing out on any opportunity, So it's really mindset, chat. FOMO kills a lot of accounts. FOMO keeps a lot of people at break even. FOMO, you're battling yourself. And remember, there's nothing to miss out on. If when you make money in these markets, just because they're sitting in your account balance here, it don't mean it's yours. It's not yours till you withdraw it and it hits your bank account. When it hits your bank account, then it's your money. But until then, it's never yours, right? It's never yours. So if you think in that mindset, then none of this is yours. There's nothing to miss out on, Took couples of trades today in my 2 different 5K accounts. It hit stop loss. You took a couple of trades today. But it hit stop loss. Okay, I got you. Well, here's my thing. So you have 2 different accounts, right? So the goal is to maintain consistency, because once you have consistency, you'll be able to buy a bunch of accounts and pass them. Buy more, pass them, buy more and pass them, right? The goal is to take the money you make and invest it into making more money. So if you're buying multiple accounts right now, knowing that you're not ready for consistency, then you're setting yourself up for failure, right? And it's not just you. Most people do that. If not, 90% of traders fail, right? 90% of traders do that. So you're not the only one, okay? Most people do that. They get up here to buy a bunch of accounts. They have to reset them or buy more. It's costing you way more money than if you would have just reset one account, right? Or if you just need to buy one more account, right? You buy multiple accounts at once, and the money's adding up. You know what I mean? And that just means you're trying to rush your way to the goal. The reason why you're buying multiple accounts at once is because you're trying to hurry up and make all this money. Whereas if you just focus on one account, beat it, and then you're like, okay, I got this. I see what I did here. Okay. Now you're a little bit more focused. You see what I'm saying? And then you just repeat the steps you did to beat that to buy more, and beat those. So, success is a buildup. If you're not born into money, if you're not born into opportunity and success, then I'm sorry, but we all have to work harder for it, right? It sucks. It sucks, but that's just the truth. That's the truth, right? If you weren't born into it, well, you gotta work extra hard for it. And with that comes knowing what's gonna get you there. What's gonna get you there is consistency and hard work. When you're rushing the process, you're skipping the process. Right? Rushing the process will never hurry up your success. I promise you. And if you need to keep learning that lesson over and over, I mean, hey, some people got to learn that lesson for 10 years straight till they finally realize, oh, shoot, I've been trying to rush this whole time and I'm not even ready. The mindset of someone who rushes is not the mindset of a successful person. If you want to be successful, you have to think like a successful person, right? You have to already be there in your mind. You get what I'm saying, chat? Get what I'm saying, chat? Just hold until new all-time high. Still in MGC and in Q. Tarek, you're in 2 trades. Okay. Are you in buys? True that. If you can't manage small account, they'll buy a 100K account. Yeah. Jelani with the 111. Look at gold pumping here at the last 5 minutes. It decided to pump the last 5 minutes of that candle. All right, we got a closure here, so we got a new 1 hour candle coming into play. If we are going to continue up, I'd like to see a bottom wick on this 1 hour candle. That's something I would like to see. If it doesn't happen, it doesn't happen, but it would be nice to see, you know. Turn the music up for you, because I just realized the music was low. I can't turn it down more. Okay, that should be good, right? Flavor, you're in gold now, okay. Apex code save now. Yeah, use the code save now for the 50K and you get it for, should be $33. It won't say it on the first screen, 7. So when you're filling out the Apex form, at the top they have promotion code. You put in the promotion code and you click apply or whatever it says. It's not gonna say it then. Fill everything out, and then when you go to the next screen, then it should show you that the discount was there before you pay, okay? Everybody got me on that? So when you're putting in the code, you're not going to see the discount until you go to the next screen. Then when you're reviewing before you buy, you should see that it took it off. It says 33. But yeah, I mean, you can't beat $33, honestly, for 50K. And here's the thing, chat. The drawdown is almost the same as the 100K on Topstep. The drawdown for the 50K on Apex is 2,500, but the trailing drawdown on Topstep is 3,000 for 100K. So it's damn near like you're getting 100K in Topstep. But you know what I mean? You know what I mean? You only got the 50K? Nice, 7. Yeah, I got a bunch of 50Ks with them. It's really all you need. I swear that's all you need. I see people over the weekend. I was on Twitter. A lot of people were excited, talking about they're getting the 300Ks with the discount. And I'm like, why would you pay all that money when you can, at that point, you might as well just get a bunch of 50K. You know? Well, let me see. How much are I don't even know how much 300K, but it's like you have a bigger profit target too. What? It's a cheat code, man. Get the $30 one. You only got to go for 3K. Come on. Why would you make yourself have to go for all that? Come on. Going for a 3K target is smooth, you know? It's smooth. That was that $500 days. And there's no consistency rule. So if you get a big, massive trade, and for some reason you beat it in a day, this promo code, they took off the parameters, by the way, chat. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. With this promo code, you're allowed to pass in a day. So again, if you get some big Kahoot trade, hold it. Hold that trade. Here it is. Okay, pulled up their Discord here. So yeah, so with that code, you have that 1 day to pass. If you do, don't go for it now, okay? Because when you're trying to go for it, you know, so you blow an account. But I'm just saying, again, if you get a big trade, don't be afraid to hold it out. Oh, and the fee with this code, the fee to activate, because you know how when you pass, you have to activate it. Usually the fee to activate it is like 160. Yeah, like 160 with TradeAvate. But instead of paying that, when you pass, you're only going to pay 125 to activate it. So you're also getting a discount on the fee that you have to pay to activate it as well. I forgot to mention that to y'all. WW, right? WW. And that sale is ending on March 4th. So it's almost like a Merry Christmas sale. Merry Christmas and take your time with it, right? What's the catch? Well, the catch is that I see a lot of people buying like 12 of them and 20 of them, and they're blowing them because they're just trying to pass it in the day. But the catch is the psychological part, right? The self-sabotage part. You see all that and you're like, oh, let me do this. But it's like, just stick to what you do. Stick to what you do. That's why Topstep, I don't know if y'all seen, but a lot of people are against Topstep for this, but they're limiting how many resets and combines you can buy a month, how many resets you can have a day, all that stuff. Now, as a business, I mean, that's your money maker, right? That's where they make the most of their money. People doing all them resets and all that in a day. But they're actually limiting it because they want to focus on... They really are here to focus on you consistently trading. So I'm actually curious if that's going to hurt their profit margin. Because here's the thing. When you're on top, and this is what they did. When they were on top, they did get rid of the affiliate codes. They got rid of a lot of things and stuff like that. You know, when you're on top and you're the big dog and everyone's watching you, that can go away like that. So you got to be careful being in your ego. You know what I mean, chat? You got to be careful. Right now you're popular and you're riding it out. And you think that changing your rules a lot and all that stuff. Yeah, people are writing it out right now, but when competition comes through and clears you out, it's GG's. You know? It's gonna be GG's. But like I said, when you're on top, it's... Hey, they gotta be careful with the new rules. And don't get me wrong, I mean, the new rules they have right now are valid. But is it sustainable business-wise, you know? I don't know. We haven't done NAS analysis today. Nope, not yet. Not yet, in a couple minutes. Like the holding rules go in without less than a minute. Yeah, I like Apex. I definitely enjoy it. I don't do my analysis on the TradeAvate, but I do use the TradeAvate platform for them. And I just I just enter on the TradeAvate platform. It comes with the free trade copier, so it's nice and easy. You have all your accounts in one. You can here's the thing with the trade copier. You can make different type of trade copiers with this, chat. So let's say you have, look at gold now. Let's say you have like 10 accounts. You can group 3 of them together in a trade copier and say, okay, I just want to trade these 3 today. You could group the other 3 in their own trade copier and just trade, you know, like you can name them. You could say this is the trio, This is group 2. Like, you can name them different things or whatever. Like, it's kind of cool. Or if you have 10 and you want to do, okay, I'm going to trade these 5 together and I'm going to trade these 5 together on different days just to alternate, you can do that too. The stream is freezing. Let me see. Why is the stream freezing? Recommend 30. Okay, it wants me to raise my bit rate. Alright, y'all, I raised my bit rate. Let's see if that helps. Let's see. That's so weird. Alright, chat, let me see if this works. If this doesn't work, let me know. Okay, it's saying that it's good now, but good isn't good enough. Let me see. I raised my bit rate like 10 times as much as what it was. Did that fix the problem? Let's see. Still saying dropped frames. That's so annoying. You know what it is? It's because my resolution is 1440. May have to lower the resolution down to 1080, chat. Let me know, are we good? Or is it laggy? Let me know. I'm still keeping an eye on gold, by the way. I'm very much keeping an eye on gold. No worries. I have it on this screen too that I'm looking at. Got the charts on both screens. Now it says excellent. Oh, wait. Okay, so that took like what? Like 5 minutes to capture my setting update? That's a long time. We're good? Okay, let me see. Yeah, just let me know if it does it again, chat, because it didn't warn me until after y'all said something in the chat, then it popped up in the red. Okay, it says we're good, so if YouTube says we're in the green, I'm gonna go with YouTube. Terrence, she says Anastasia's birthday. Is it her birthday? Happy birthday to her. Happy birthday. Look into it. I'm fast at these times. Also an Asian session, but on repeat. Buyers or sell. Demise. Also look at Sunday open. We good? Thank you, Leslie. We good? All right, we're gonna do a NAS analysis. Nothing good right now on gold for me. I'm just patiently waiting here on gold. So I'm gonna keep gold on the 15-minute for you. The only thing I really see on gold is it's looking like it's trying to, well, it's coming back down here, but we don't know if it's just pulling back to continue up or if it's time to come down. And if I look on the 3-minute, we kind of have like that, ooh, that 3-bar vibe, right? So what price is this? 29.71. If price stays below this area, we may see a fall here. We may see a little sell-off. And this would be an impulse sell here, right? This would be an impulse. All right, let's do NAS. My goodness, look at NAS. Back down into this range, right? Last week we had that huge sell-off. We're back down inside of this range, this annoying range. I know. Here's the thing though. I'm gonna kind of group this together in a box. Let me know if anybody took that impulse sell there on gold. It was looking like it was loading up. I'm just not into the impulse sell today, chat. $50 points, jeez. So yeah, so we're back inside of this range. So here's the thing. People are definitely going to take buys here, right? We see buyers already offering in. I do feel like the top of this range here that sellers may step in again to try to sell this off, because the selling pressure is pretty heavy here. So right around 21,836, we may see sellers step in again just to try to continue selling this down into this range. So yeah, we'll see what happens here. This is going to be a battle of the buyers and sellers. This is a very, very, very determinal point here. I mean, you can see even with these daily candles, we were all over the place with buys and sells on these days. It was crazy. So yeah, we're back in that hectic area. So NASA's going to be fun this week, huh? Fun as in maybe difficult, maybe not, but we'll see. We'll see. Take your time, you know. Don't force trades. If you're feeling it, do your thing. You know, if you are feeling it, do your thing. Absolutely. Actually, don't feel like I need that. Don't need that. And because we're back in this range, we're going to have a lot of zones, right? Anytime we're in a range, the zones are, it's going to be a lot of zones. All right, that's good. I think I'm only missing one line. And that's about it. Alright, what I'm gonna do is highlight these zones to make it easier for you to see them. I only have weekly zones here, so let's use this. We're right on time, right? We got about 13 minutes till 9:30. Yeah, I think that thickness is good. 13 minutes, so we got plenty of time here. We'll talk about the direction again in a second. Let me just get some of these zones up here. As far as gold goes, we came back down towards this daily level here at 29.64. Alright, remember this is the 9 o'clock hourly candle here. Swept back below the VWAP from the 8 o'clock open. All right, I'm gonna keep this on the 1 minute, and we're definitely gonna heavily watch this here. It's gonna keep it on the 1 minute. There's one more, right? Oh no, that was it. Okay, cool. All right, let's take a look at this again. Let's turn on the VWAP here on NAS. Duh, we're riding it. We're literally riding it. That is hilarious. Flatline. All right, so whenever you see the VWAP flatline, it just typically means that price is ranging. And we know price is ranging, right? We're well aware of it. But let's take a look at this structure, right? This structure is on top of this level. So as long as we stay above this level, then I would look for buys, right? If we get back below this level, I'll start to maybe look for sells. So we'll see what happens. But again, as long as we're above 21,746, let's see. Okay, right now we are in a range, so that's a little annoying, right? But again, if we get below this level, we may start to look for sells here. So we'll see what happens. We're in a range. Got about 10 minutes until 9:30, so I'm definitely gonna let this 9:30 candle do its thing. Unless I see something right before it happens, which would be rare. So let's see. Let's keep this on the 15-minute for now. Inky will go down very soon. Oh, we should do a poll for that, huh? So chat, the correct answer for today's poll, what is created when you draw a parallel line in the same angle of an uptrend or downtrend? The correct answer is price channel. Price channel. 77% of people got that correct. We'll be doing more pop quizzes, just so you know. Let's see. This poll is going to be for 9:30 NYSE open. This one's going to be real simple. Are you bullish or bearish on Nasdaq? All right. That's what we're going to do for this poll. All right. You should see it in the next 3 seconds in the chat. You have 8 minutes to answer. And if you don't know, you can just take an educated guess. Are you bullish or bearish for Nasdaq? Again, gold is on this daily level. No play right now, y'all. We're just watching. Only move I would say we missed today would maybe be the impulsive sell, but again, wasn't too much of a fan of the impulsive sell. It was an okay setup. It was B borderline C. And maybe more of a C. More of a C setup. It was almost a B. Maybe if it was a B. I'll take my educated guess for 9:30. My educated guess. Well, we're back down on the VWAP. Could be possible. Price wants the bounce here to go up, but tough call where Nas is. What's up, Ian? Good morning to you. Those some long wicks. Black Diamond, good morning to you. Gold looks to be pulling back. So chat, do me a favor. I posted my first short on Twitter about 20 minutes ago. If you come over to Twitter, I'm sorry, it's not Twitter no more, it's X, okay? It's X. I guess we gotta call it the right name. If you come on over to X, I just put the link in the chat there. Come on over to X and show some love to my new post here. Okay. New post here on Twitter. First time posting a short on Twitter. I want to see how it goes. So yeah, if you do me a favor sometime today, if you could come over and show some love to this post. Thank you so much. Hi, Forex Ninja. Good morning to you. Let's see. Looks like gold is still stuck on top of these daily levels here. Looks like it may be trying to push through them. It's looking a little heavy here. Let's measure this sell-off. Top wick, 29. Selling off about 78 points. My goodness. $78 points. All right, so we just closed inside of this new range here. Less than 5 minutes to go on this 15-minute candle, and then we're gonna have NYSE open as well. So playing the patience game here. Heavily playing it. Quality finally changed? No way. Heard about North Korea, that guy who stole 1.6 billion or million to use from Ethereum. No, the markets aren't gonna act that way because of him. I mean, they could blame it on him. But thank you for subscribing. The truth is the economies are shot right now. Okay, we have a food crisis. We have financial crisis, job crisis, all the above. They're trying to keep the market from crashing. You know, but at the same time, we're in unknown territory. There's so much going on. We have a new president. There's just a lot of question marks on how we're going to end out this year. Okay. So, yeah, that definitely has to do with the indecisiveness of the market being up and down. All right, so we continue down into this range. Jeez. No mercy. What a huge sell-off this was. 140 points. Jeez. I feel like we're going a teeny bit further. All right. Hopefully we don't. Oh, this is a huge gap. Holy, 170 point gap. Are we filling out this gap? Oh my goodness. Are we filling out this 170 point gap? Look at this. 170 right here. Ain't no way. Or are we just pulling back to continue up? We'll see, chat. Because we've been, we've been bouncing on this little trend here. Or is it gonna push through? Got about a minute and 20 seconds on the clock here. Really excited to trade Nasdaq. I want to see if we can get a small stop loss today so we can trade it on NQ rather than the micro. That'd be very nice if we can. I'll keep another 15-minute closure coming in about 55 seconds here. 9:30 open for NAS coming in 45 seconds here. Here we go. The pre-party was crazy on gold, huh? Jeez. Where's the VWAP now? We're touching it. We are touching it. So, yeah, I want to see if price has a bounce here or if price is going to push through it, right? Because if we stay above this area, like I said, since that's where we've been getting those pullbacks and bounces, it could be the pullback. So we're going to be very patient here. All right, here we go. 9:30, y'all. Here we go. Here we go. Oh goodness, no, I don't want that on, and I don't want that on. In watch mode here. As asked earlier, it looks like the wick off mechanism on the 4-hour if you zoom out. On which pair? On gold? Oh, I think I chose Nasdaq accident. On gold. Let's see here. I'm just gonna wait for this 9:30 to candle. 9:30 to candle. Listen to me, too. I'm gonna wait for this 9:30 candle to close here on NAS. A lot of patience this morning. Look at NAS go. Let's see, what was the poll? Let's end that poll. 53% said bearish, 46% said bullish. Yeah, I was thinking that if we're coming down to that VWAP, we may get that bounce, which we're getting here, but it don't mean it's too promising of a bounce. We're in a range. We are indeed in a range. And same thing with gold. Right now, we're inside of this range, right? A little small range. So while we're waiting, chat, while we're waiting, oh, where's that post at? I gotta find it now. This right here. I wanted to share this with you. So it says the fact that you're trading better than before is already a huge step forward. Be patient. Trading is about evolution, not perfection. Right, too many people look for that pitch perfect setup, and actually have a close friend who's having that issue. They don't think they trade well, and all they do is lose. But if you look at their trades, they trade phenomenally. They're just looking for this big pitch perfect setup, and it's like, but you already have the setup. Let me give you an example. I have a friend who, let's say they took a sell here, right? I'm gonna show you an example of one of their setups, right? And their TP would be like down here. They'll do this. They'll get like 100 points like this, right? Nice small stop loss. Price will come up and stop them out, and they'll take an L. Because they're like, no, I don't care. Like, I'm stuck. I'm going to be disciplined in my rules, and I'm going to get 240 points. And that's not how trading is. Trading is not perfection. Trading is not perfect. You got 100 points. You had a low risk. You're up a couple $1,000s. Close the damn trade and call it a day. And they do this every single week, chat. They do this every week. They get setups like this, and they always let it go. They'll be up 100 and something points. Always let it go to stop loss. It's like, you are literally your problem. You are your biggest enemy, and you will forever be your biggest enemy, chat. Can you imagine? I can't make this up. I can't make this up. So, you know, and a lot of people do that. A lot of people self-sabotage themselves in different ways because they want it the way they want it to be. But it's like, you already have the talent. You got to see through that. You got to see the big picture. The big picture is you can consistently get 100 points. You can consistently get 60 points, 50 points, whatever. You consistently do that. But you also consistently go to your stop loss after. So why not say, hey, why don't I just take my 50, 60 points that I consistently get every day and call it a day? That's all they have to do. But they don't want to. And that's what we call ego. Your ego, by the way, chat, is your biggest blocker. I promise you, it's everybody's biggest blocker. Your ego. You know how much your ego gets you in trouble, chat? Your ego is why you go on defense. Right? When someone disrespects you and you respond with disrespect, or you respond in any way, it's your ego defending you. Right? So, you know, ego can be good and bad, right? But in this case of trading, ego hurts a lot of traders. It does. It's so sad. What's up, Janice? Tweezy, I see you there. They're afraid to take the money and run. Yep. Just made 227 on my trade just now from gold. Quick snipe. Ah, you took some sells. Okay, okay. Take a look at Nas here. Top wick was made. Falling away from that VWAP now. Looks like we may be breaking through this range. This is why I always tell y'all to wait the first 5 minutes of the open, because sometimes it's back and forth until it actually makes a decision here. This candle started off bearish, breaking this low. Then it shot up bullish. Then it came back down to make that top leg. So yeah, you definitely want to wait the first 5 minutes. $50-point stop loss is insane. Insane. Well, chat, I have a huge gap here on gold, so it does look like gold's looking heavy. Gold's looking heavy, but we'll see. Take a look at that VWAP again. We are through the VWAP. We do have the hourly candle closing in about 20 minutes. Could be a possibility that we may continue to drive down in that candle or in the next 30-minute candle. We'll keep an eye on it. We shall keep an eye on this. Now, if we continue to sell off, because this sell off is so huge, 138 left. Maybe something like that here would be nice. AKA a top wick. The next candle would be nice. We'll see though. We will see. May have to start using some bank zones here because we don't have any zones in between here. It's a heavy fall. I'll draw two. Sending a pic into Discord. All right, Jelani, let's see. Let's pull you up here. Jelani with the purple background here. Big purple. Okay, yeah, you entered your cell right here. I see. Would you get 40 points? $40 points. But yeah, chat, gold looks really heavy, so I want to see just a slight pullback here for a continuation down if that's what we're going to be doing today. I believe if we continue down, we're coming down to 29.39. So I'm just gonna have to wait. Big pushback here, bouncing off of the 50s. 50-point pushback off of the 50s. Wow. Jelani off the perp. That's funny. You like the two-tone purple? Yeah, that was a cool chart, right? Jennifer, thank you for being real with all my questions. Got to get ready for work. Thank you again. No problem. Have a great day at work. Thank you for coming through. Watching gold here. We got about 3 minutes till that candle closes on NAS. Gold's back above 55. Yeah, got about 2 minutes and 30 seconds, chat. Just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. We got 2 minutes. Alrighty. Let's see here. Oh, that was quick. Okay, we got 1 minute left. I thought I took 2 minutes there. 1 minute left. Massive pullback here on gold, massive bounce. 24 in the bottom wick, 64 in the body right now. Jeez, to the eye. That perp, I'm kind of laughing bears right now. Yeah, you know, it's always interesting to see your charts. Everyone always has different charts. So while we're waiting out these last few minutes here, I got some updates for you. You might have already seen this last week, but they're coming out with another new iPhone, and it's supposed to be the affordable version, and it's going to be for $600. I know, no more $1,000 iPhone, eh? $600. But you know why, chat? The economy, they know people aren't going to be able to afford it. They know it's going to be a flop. And what's going to be bad for Apple is if Apple has a flop, it's going to go crazy in the press. It's going to be, oh, Apple's falling off. Oh, that's going to be so bad for them. So they know they can't have a flop in sales. So I think that's why they lowered the price. Smart. They think ahead. $600 for that new iPhone coming out this year. Remember years ago when it was all about getting the new iPhone and upgrading it and trading it in? I never did that, honestly. I just would get a new phone if I needed one or if mine broke. Like, for example, I have the new iPhone right now, but it's because my phone literally broke the day after the new one came out. It just so happened. So when I went to get a new phone, I'm like, well, I might as well get the newest one. You know, if I never upgraded my phone, I'd still have the iPhone like 6 right now or iPhone 5. You know what I mean? I really would. Let's see here. We got that candle closed. Let's take a pause and break here. All right, so this candle came in pretty heavily bullish, right? So it's not looking like, oh yeah, we're going to continue to sell off. No, it's looking like we're going to continue to launch back up, okay? That was very heavy. That's a heavy bounce. It's off the VWAP. So yeah, it's almost giving me the sense that we're going to be continuing up. I mean, look at it here on the 3-minute. That is so strong. Oh my goodness, we don't really need that. We don't need that. So with all this downtrending here, right, we just had a shift in structure where we kind of broke this high. So, you know, we'd like to see price travel down and create a low that's higher than this low before entering to proceed with these buys to make sure we are buying up. You know what I mean? Because that was a huge buy up there, right? Huge buy up, huge bounce up. I mean, the bulls really stepped in. So we'll see what happens. Going to be heavily watching this. The only way I look for sells again is if we close below this structure or something, you know? But other than that, that was a very, very heavy bounce up. So we're in watch mode. Like I said, let's see if we create a higher low or if we break through this structure, because that's going to be very telling. What happened to the music? Music was pumping. Mr. ES, good morning to you. Wifey still has the iPhone 7. Oh, nice. What iPhone do I have? Whatever the newest one is. I don't even know. Whatever the newest one is what I got. See, that's how much I don't even keep track. I don't even keep track of the numbers anymore. The last time I kept track of the numbers was when I had the iPhone 6, iPhone 7. I went from the 7 to the 11, and that's all I remember. After 11, I stopped counting. I really stopped. I have to look at my phone and my settings to see what version I got, but whatever the new one is. All right, let's see here. So it's going to be interesting to watch this on gold. It's going to be very, very interesting. Are we breaking this low or are we creating a higher structure? It's the question that needs to be answered. It's going to be very, very interesting to get the answer to this question. All right, we're coming down here on 55. 55. What I'd like to do is put a level right around here, just in case this candle pushes back above it. Alrighty. See, now look at us. See, now it's looking like we might have created that higher low. I like the idea of pushing back up here with a stop loss below here. On gold, I do like the idea of a buy here at this orange line. Be about a 30-point stop loss. My goodness. 30-point stop loss is a bit annoying. $22-point stop loss. Let's see here. Oh, the music again. What happened? What happened? Did I click that? I think I did that. What's up, Francis? Good morning to you. Jelani said I still got the 8 plus. That's funny. Gold is being tricky gold. Gold's being tricky gold, chat. Tricky gold. So remember, this is a new 15-minute candle. It is about halfway done though. Closes in about 7 minutes, which is also going to be this hourly candle closure. So look at that top wick there, chat. That top wick rejection of this area is telling me that this may come in heavy. So, you know, sometimes I have price points here that I'm watching, right? I'm watching to see how does price react here, right? How does price react here is the question. Now, right now, we're about to get a new hourly candle, so debating whether I want to wait for the new hourly candle. About 6 minutes. I may want to. We'll keep it on the 1 for now. Let's see. That's making me sleepy. Do you think 29.42 would be idle for buys? 29.42. Oh, you're in a different chart than me. Oh, unless you mean down here, because my 29.42 is down here, and I don't think that's where yours is, huh? No, I'm thinking if we create a higher low here, that we're launching it up. But we are in a funny spot, right? This is a rangy area, so very tough to get caught up in this range. Okay, but the bulls came in strong on that last 15-minute candle. You know, if this 15-minute candle were to flip up bullish, I mean, tough spot. I know, chat, it's so annoying when Price does this, right? And Price just plays around. It's so annoying. But yeah, Nasitro, I think you're on a gold XAU chart. If you go to a GC chart, then I'll know which price point you're speaking of there. Four minutes. 4 minutes. Holy 4 minutes. I would honestly rather this candle to close and not do anything. Just stay the way it is, right? Let's concentrate on the new hourly candle. I'd hate for this to move in the last couple minutes of the closure. That's super annoying if it does that. But we're sideways trending, chat. On the 1 minute, we are sideways trending. It's all right. First one I had was the 3G, the big got the 4S, then the 6, the 8 Plus, 12 Pro Max, now 15 Pro Max. And I was in Dow sales early and moved my stop to break even too quick, and it got hit. Move your stop to break even too quick. You know what? Dow could be wiki sometimes, you know. You move your stop to break even when you feel like it's broken an area where it won't test that entry again, you know. It's tough. I know it's super annoying when it does that, right? Super annoying. Look at the length of the Nasdaq candle. Yeah, 945 came through. 125 points there on that drop. 125 points. Well, another good news. Looks like we'll make it to the new hourly candle here. Give us something nice. Come on, we've been up here too long. Give us something nice. Whoever is in a buy or sell right now on gold, I know they're clenching their cheeks right now. They're probably like, why did I get in on this choppiness? And if you are, I want to tell you, don't blame yourself. Just, the market's just being choppy right now, right? Don't blame yourself. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds left here. So I'm literally waiting for this hourly closure. It's coming soon. This is really tough, chat. This is really tough because we know we can get a bounce here. But I'm gonna tell you right now, the hourly candle's about to close, and what I see is the hourly candle's gonna close below this structure and below this VWAP. So based on this hourly closure, it is making it seem like the sells are heavier than the buys if this closes below the VWAP and this structure here. You know what I mean? You know, the bulls came in strong. They did come in strong here, but this is the hourly time frame is king compared to the 5 minute, right? This is terrible though. Alright, Nas is smacking levels here. I'll keep Nas on the 1 minute over here. Alrighty. No, don't do that with 1 hour left. Okay, here we go. New hourly candle. Here we go. Like I said, we closed bearish below the VWAP and below this daily level here at 29.56. So we got to take the hourly over any other time frame lower than it. It's looking like a heavy sell-off. I'd hate to take an impulse with no top wick on a new hourly candle. That's annoying. Man, price is annoying today, eh? About 140 points on the gap down to go. That's what it looks like. Be nice to us, gold. Give us a top wick. Don't be like that. Don't you be like that. Don't be extra. Be nice. It's in such a uncomfortable spot, eh? No way I could take an impulse here, chat. There's no way I could take an impulse here with a 70-point stop loss. No top wick. Are you kidding? Ain't no way. You're just gonna have to zoom in and wait. I don't feel like we need that anymore. Nas is bleeding out here at 10. 54 points down in the first 2 minutes here with Nas. Nas said, forget a pullback, I'm going. So yeah, Nas has been bleeding out since 9:30, so just kind of waiting it out over here. Jeez. Nas, clearly you're not feeling well today. Yeah. Chris, what's up, Chris? Good morning to you. I love sell days. Good morning, Lynn's in chat. You love sell days. Good morning to you. I'm guessing you got into these sales, huh? Come on, gold. Nas, I expect it from Nas. You know, with my setups in Nas, if I don't get in now, it usually does take a little while. You know, so I'm used to waiting all day on Nas, but gold gets a little annoying when you're waiting on gold. Let's see, do I even have zones for this? Look at this. I don't. I have to add some. Let's go to the daily. Well, we talked about this on the daily during the analysis. We talked about this range here. I highlighted this range and I said, well, if NAS continues down, then it may continue down in this range today, right? So we did talk about this. It looks like it is. I thought we may get some static in here, a little choppiness, but just straight on down, huh? $200 more points to go. Holy. Okay, let's put a let's put like a little fill area here. All right, and let's see what we would like to add on our journey down. Few different checkpoints for NAS on its journey down. That wasn't too bad. All right, so we're all set as far as this big sell-off today. We fill out that range. We got these checkpoints here. Jeez. I kind of want to see where this opening range is. If we take the 30-minute opening range today, wow, what a huge, look at it. Huge opening range today, right? 239 points. Wow. All right. I was just curious. We can anchor that. That's gonna be way up there. No news needed today, eh? No news needed. We are free falling. Well, I mean, for me to get into these continuation sells, we obviously need price to come up a bit. So, not just gonna hop into a falling knife here. So we're gonna continue watching this on the 1 minute, so we can see it a little bit more detail here. We're gonna zoom it in a bit, and we'll see what NAS got. Go 29.20. Go to 29.20. I got to 29.39. Should have stayed in NQ. Where's Lewis? Oh, he was here last week. Yeah, Lewis and King was here. He said Trump. The F. That's funny. Trump the F. I wanted to hold gold sales, but they said if you think you're making over 1,000 today, you lying. Alright, so remember I said either this is going to create a higher low or it's going to close below here, right? Well, now we got our answer. We just closed below this structure. So there's that. Jeez, at this point, just give us like a small trade setup. My goodness. Maybe we could have scalped that. bearish, little bearish pennant on the 1 minute. That's all that really was. Perhaps. How much was that? That was 40, 70, maybe. Take a look at Nas waking up out of bed here with the 56-point launch on that 1 minute candle. These are 1 minute candles, y'all, on Nas. Volume is not playing. What a bloodbath. That is so funny. Bloodbath. Oh, that's a good one. Whoever giving Nas CPR, don't stop. Now, how far are we again from that? 21,561. 50 points away, okay. I was just curious. Wow, who took buys there? People are, that's interesting. Let me see this on higher time frame. What made people take buys right there? Ah, I see. That's why y'all took buys there. I don't think it's gonna last too long. Let's see. Look at this 15-minute candle, y'all. Look at this 15-minute candle. Holy candle, holy wick. 84-point bottom wick. Oh my goodness. The market is back to the way it used to be. Holy, what a thing to see. Now this is the way Nas usually moves. Lots of points, y'all. Lots of points. Nas US 30, big points. Bring the market back. But bring it back and let us get into something. Bring it back when we're in a trade. Don't bring it back when we're not in a trade, eh? We're gonna be selective on that. Do you think there's any chance of prop firms going under if this recession we've been in several years actually pops off enough financial firms, politicians recognize it so much? No. The only thing that would go underwater for them is if they're not regulated, which is why I think that FTMO bought Awanda. Yeah, the only thing they'll crack down on is regulation. Most people who are trying to trade are just trying to become rich. Most people, the majority of people don't have the mindset to lead themselves or to be a leader. So they're not worried about people getting rich off of this. And if people do lottery ticket themselves in and gamble themselves to the top, they know they're going to lose it like that anyway. So they ain't worried about it. People don't have a strong enough mindset to be their own boss, but you can think the brainwashiness of society, right? Society wants you to think that you can't think for yourself. They want you to not have confidence. They want you to eat these dirty foods where they put 15, 20 ingredients in our food, but the same food in other countries got like 5-6 ingredients. It's all stuff that imbalances out your hormones, you know, the way you think, blah, blah, blah. So what am I trying to say here, chat? See through it, chat. Stay woke. You gotta see through it. Eat organic. Cook at home. You know, you will have such a clearer mindset. You'll be better at decision making. You'll be more confident. You'll have more energy. You'll see through a lot of this stuff. But yeah, trust me, they're not worried about people becoming rich off of this. They know they've brainwashed plenty. Trust me. But you know, this is why I'm up here. You know, we're not just up here for trading, but we're up here to help everybody with their mindset. Because you can't do nothing without your mind. Mind is a terrible thing to waste. If you lose your mind, you lose yourself. You know, we want everyone here to have confidence. We want everyone here to find some type of happiness. You know what I'm saying? Wake up, look forward to tomorrow. You know, we wanna bring those things back. So in order to do that, you gotta work on your mind. All right, let's see here. We got a little deep on that one. I'm watching the market here, chat. Remember, I got it on both my screens. I'm watching. I'm watching both. What a pullback here on Nas. What a pullback. Back inside of the opening range. Okay, hold on. Let me highlight this for you. Opening range is right here. Look at us now. Back inside of it. At the bottom of it. And we got a new 15-minute candle coming into play here. Wow. That's all I can say is wow. No way I'm taking a buy at the top of this huge buy up here. My goodness. 132 points. Okay, this music is fitting for Nas right now. This music is fitting. This music's kind of funny, low-key. Alrighty here on gold. On gold, let's see what we got. She's acting like she don't want to come down now. What happened? Got a three bar reversal here on the 5-minute. Not no 76 stop loss though. Out of their minds for that. Let's see, chat. If we are continuing down, let's see if this creates a high here on gold to come back down. That may be something we take a look at. Let's see if we're just creating a lower high here. When I say lower high, I mean we had a high here, so let's see if this creates another lower high. Maybe we can have an opportunity. Look at it on the 15-minute there. It looks like a top wick. If it continues down, it'll be a top wick on the 15-minute. So 15, oh. The 18-point top wick. If this flips down. I'm actually gonna, whoop. Next post should ask how many ingredients are in the Chick-fil-A. Ah, y'all are funny. Y'all are so funny. Holy. Watching a few things here. Nas took out the previous 5-minute high. We'll watch this price point right here. Could be a good sell-off, but what's the stop loss? 56. You're killing me. 56 stop loss. Somebody lying. $56. Alright, we're gonna watch this on the 1 minute for a little bit. I feel like we're gonna get a good sell-off though. See, look at that retest. Look at that retest. Okay, let's see on the 5 minute. Unbelievable. Still watching gold as well, chat. Gold's teeter-tottering right now. Teeter-tottering. Nash chart and Dow chart looking similar today. Oh, really? Let's see. Let's see. If this 5-minute candle comes down and breaks this low. Maybe a stop loss above this candle. It's a risky trade though. Just don't know if I like this. Let me see. Yeah, it'd be 37-point stop loss here. Looking at this, also looking at gold. Gold a little fast on this here, gold. Just a little fast. Problem is it's already a 40-point stop loss, chat. Jeez. Too big of a stop loss here. Oh. Okay, 30 might not be too bad. We're in a spot where we're like hyper watching here. Yeah, y'all. Hi Daniel. When you send me price points, remember I'm on a futures chart. You have to send me future price points, not XAU price points, because our prices are very much different. So you got to send me gold futures price point. So look at a 15-minute candle now. Played. Don't tell me they're gonna do a flip up here. Don't be surprised. Is that what the hold off is? Look at this. Played. Ooh, they play, chat. They play. Oh my. I have 5 minutes left here. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see. See Nas. Yeah, 30-minute candle closes in about 4 minutes, y'all. So it may be one of those just waiting for it to close at this point. Crazy, huh? Mr. ES, thank you, Lens. Use your levels because I wasn't sure about mine. Netted me 1250. Very nice. Okay, let's see. Three minutes, y'all. 3 minutes. We are just waiting on these closures here. Let's just see what my dog's doing. I heard some noise. Chat, I have no coffee today, so I'm trying to stay awake. We do have water though. At least I got water, but yeah, we're waiting for this closure here. 2 minutes to go on the closure. Hey, Javon. What? Why no coffee? I didn't have time to make any. But I'm good though. I feel like the water's needed today. We got 1 minute and 50 seconds, so we're gonna play a game here. Let's play Lido. Alright, we're playing Lido. Give me that. Give me that. Yeah. Check. Oh, we'll go here. Give me that queen. Check. Mate. Hey, first game of the day. First game of the day. We got a checkmate. We got 23 seconds left on the clock. We only had 1 minute. That was quick. All right. Back to the market chat. We had a little warm up there. Five seconds. Here comes the closure. Holy. Wait, where's my other chart? All right, so on gold, we got a new 30-minute, 15-minute. Sell still looks strong. But we'll see. We're just gonna wait and see. We're in a finicky spot. We're in that play spot where they may play around a little bit. Because we're down on top of the 50s here. I'll make a zone so you can see it. But we're right here on top of the 50s. On gold, so we'll wait a bit. NASA's kind of in a tough area to just say sell it off here because you know, we had quite the pullback back up, and now we're just kind of settling here, right? We're just kind of settling in this area, so not really in a spot where I'm gonna say, yeah, continue selling off NAS right now. You know, I'm gonna wait and see what else NAS got. I'll be waiting here. I'll keep it like this. All right, back over to gold. While we're waiting on NAS, back over to gold. I want to see maybe if gold breaks through the 50s here. We look at it on the 3-minute, looks good. I like it on the 3-minute. Can get a push through here, stop loss. Stop loss for 28. Just watching gold here to see if we can get a push through those structures. Robin Scott, good morning to you. Is your new trading view indicator available now? We had some issues with TradingView blocking it. So if you take a look at that video and you read the first comment pinned to the top, I have instructions there for you. So please take a look at the pinned comment there on that video. It'll be the first comment there for you. All right, we are just stuck here, huh? We are stuck. I want to see if we can break this low. This is like pulling teeth, huh? It's literally like pulling teeth. Check on NAS a little bit. Top wick there now on the 5. All right, there we go on gold. Broke back through the 50s there, entered 4 points below where we want to. Just giving the top wick a little bit of breathing room here. Continuation down to this daily level. So looking for us to get that continuation sell down, stop loss a little bit above the current highs here. Let me make it a little tighter. Yeah, maybe just above this range, because we shouldn't really be spiking above that range again. If we spike above that range again, we're probably not going down. Let me put on the 5-minute for you. Take a look at NAS here. Here we go with the continuation down. NAS was a little tricky. We had to use the current wick as a stop loss here. Gold looks good so far. But we'll see how she acts. Get a further push down. There we go. 16 points in profit here. Just see it on the 1 minute. See if we can continue to get that push down. Don't like the choppiness here. I want to see price stay below the 50s here. Don't like that. Don't like that launch and spike here. Back into that range on the 1 minute, right? So this may be where I decide to manage my trade myself, because we shouldn't have gotten a 30-point spike back up. Pretty heavy. So I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this for a loss here. I don't like that spike back up. Yeah, 30 point spike up. That 30 point spike up don't look too right if we're selling off, you know what I mean? So we'll close that and reassess it. Had a try there for this pullback, but looks like we may be going the other way here, because look at it now in the 5 minute with that bottom wick, right? It's a steep bottom wick on the 15 minute. It's a new 30 minute candle. It's coming in quite heavy. So that's an example of where I would cut my loss shorter than my stop loss, because the trade's invalid now, right? So when you see that the trade's invalid, don't be afraid to cut it early, because see where it is right now, we would have got stopped out for $310. Instead of getting stopped out for $310, we get stopped out for $213. You know what I mean? So yeah, if you see the trades invalidated, don't be afraid to cut it. You don't want to hold the losing trades longer than you hold your winning trades. You get what I mean? Okay, let's add that to today's trades. Where's today's trades? Where's today's trades? So it was 200, but I guess it slipped us to 210. So it's 210 plus the $3 fee. 210. Morning, Jelani. Player says, yup. Okay, let's see. I kind of want to see where the as you can see now, it kind of looks like a 3-bar reversal on the 30 minute. You see that? Y'all see that 3-bar reversal vibe on the 30 minute? Kind of get that vibe on the 15 minute a little bit. It's alright, chat. We will reassess here. We're reassessing it right now. It's looking very strong in the bullish department. Which could be, they keep it heavy, it actually could be rewarding. Well, let's see. I need to see a little more though. 2 minutes left on this 15-minute candle. Just heavily watching it here. I really want to watch this. I had my line on the wrong area. My goodness. Wrong area. Holy. 16 minutes till hourly closure. 30-minute closure, 15-minute closure, all the above. Huh. Oh, man, look at price. Oh, man. Sellers stepped right back in here. They wasted no time to step back in. They said, where you going? Where you think you going, gold? All right, heavily watching this here. We bleed here on NAS. Where do you think the 4-hour sell-off is technically? What's up, Cinematic? Good morning to you. If we bleed here on NAS, I have the zones right here on stream. You can see. This song always comes on when a big breakout comes. So does that mean a big breakout's coming? I swear, it's the only time I hear this song. Come on. I'm taking a heavy look here on gold. Really watching gold here. Watching gold way more than Nas. I'm kind of letting Nas wake up out of bed. Wow. All right, it's almost looking like a 15-minute 3-bar reversal. This is the first 15-minute bullish closure we had in a little while. We haven't had one since 9:30. Holy. $30-minute candle still open. Keep that in mind. Still open here on the 30. Now see, the 3-minute looks like quite the quite the bearish candle here, right? This is, whoa. That looks pretty strong. It looks pretty strong. Only 41 points. Alright. So chat, I'm kind of looking at this from the standpoint of we haven't had a bullish closure in a while on the 15-minute. You know, we are in a spot where they can certainly reverse it. We're also in a spot where they can certainly sell it off. So it is a funky area to be in. Best bet is going off for the higher time frame. And we do have a closure in 13 minutes here on the hourly. So I'm more focused on the hourly and the 30-minute and the 15-minute than I am on any time frame below the 15-minute, right? And right now it's looking quite interesting, because I do believe this 30-minute may just close bullish. The way it's looking right now, we'll see. We still got 12 minutes left on it. We'll see how it reacts, because I do have this anchored VWAP here. So the thing is, you know, if we stay below this area, well, that it's appropriate to continue looking for sells, right? So that's why I said I'm watching this. We are watching. And also on the 3-minute, you can kind of see that trend up we were doing. So again, if we see ourselves, you know, falling back below here, so I'm just waiting. Bear's heavy today, yep. Yeah, but the thing about trendy days, chat, is, you know, we're trending till we're not trending. You know, we can always get a reversal, so you got to keep that in mind. You can always get that reversal. I have this structure here that I'm watching. Price flew above it. but we didn't hold it. But if we close above it, well, we may be switching direction, right? So, watching it here. Let me know in the chat, you having a tough trading day or you having a good trading day? I've seen some mixed comments in the chat. Today tough or today you doing okay today? So that's how they close the 5 minute. That's cute. Yeah, that's nice. All right, we got less than 10 minutes to go on this 30-minute. We have to give NAS a check-in. You know, NAS still hasn't broken through the support here. I'll show you on a lower time frame. Whoop. Wrong one. We still haven't broken through the support here, which was making me look for a possible reversal back up here. I do like this, but we'll see. I have been heavily watching NAS for possible. Watching to see how NAS behaves here. Anything AI, good day here. Been a while since I watched your streams. Missed it. Welcome back. Good morning to you. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for clicking back on. Today was a good day. Great trading day on GJ. Sold gold from the top and still in profits, but I got a loss before that, so let's say break even. Okay, Ice. Okay. Hey, always good, right? Break even, still a W. W to end off and break even here. Wow, look at us on the 3 minute. Holy. All right, so we are breaking through that. Tough if you weren't an early seller to continue selling it off. Also tough because we keep setting up these false supports on both of these pairs here, making it seem like the reversal's coming. I'm sure this got a lot of people spike that high there. Six minutes left, y'all. I think we're gonna play another chess game just to waste some time. I hate to play a game when it's about to form something though. You know what I mean? Because I do believe if we're not breaking through this, that we are just dragging it out, but I believe we're going back up here. Same thing with gold, right? With this area right here. Trying to heavily watch it here. Keep playing around it. Tough spot, tough spot. All right, I'll keep NAS and gold like this. Here we go. New game. We're playing Sharky. All right, Sharky. Don't do it. Oh jeez, I didn't see that. Okay, I deserved that checkmate. That was an amateur checkmate. Oh man, I messed up. Okay, hold on, let's come back here. Look at gold now. I mean, I know it's pretty chopped on the 3 minute, but look at this bottom wick here. Three minute is trying to stay afloat this level. About 3 minutes and 45 seconds left. What a tough spot for price. Well, my thing stays as follows. If we're staying below here and we're breaking through the support that we just created, then I'm gonna look for sells. But if we continue to close above here, then I'll change my bias. But for now, we're just ranging, so I'm not really in a position to call shots right now. We got about 3 minutes. 3 minutes to go. And Nas teeter-totted its way back down. Just slowly came back down here. Yeah, I'm thinking it's gonna be like last Monday where we don't really get a decent setup till maybe power hour. Still didn't close below this low, so yeah, until we close below this low, I mean, this low right here, we still haven't closed below it, so let's see. Looking like it could reverse now. I like this idea here, chat. 5 minute flip. Be a 37 point stop loss. 3 bar reversal on the 3 minute. Let's take a buy here on NAS. And if this buy doesn't work out, then I'm gonna wait till power hour. But like I said, to me, the buy up is still valid if we never close below this low here. So I'm looking at this as kind of like a double bottom 3 bar reversal vibe, but also like a 5 minute candle flip here. About 2 points away from a flip. Where's the opening range? Up here. Let me get my targets together. I'm really not gonna target too crazy on this. $40 points is a good first target here. It's definitely making back some losses. After the 40 points, I mean, we can see if we can get to 86 points, but 86 is even asking for a lot. All right, I like that retest there, so I'm gonna move stops to break even here. See if Nas can carry this up, and you know, it kind of looks, yeah, I like it on the 5 minute. It may get a little chopped here, but I was gonna say it almost looks like a pennant in a way. Jeez, Nas, jeez. Coming in hot and heavy here. It's a new 15-minute candle, so. But yeah, TP1 should put us above break even. See if we can get a bounce up here now. We're back up towards 500. We just need to push through 500 to carry this trade up towards TP1. Such a difficult time. All right, back through 500. Let's see if we can hold this now. There we go. Let's see if we can head towards TP1. Oh, cinematic, I'm sorry. I just see. What are you looking for on gold? I was looking to see if we stay above this orange line for maybe a reversal up. But, you know, as I look at it, we are in that pinch area on the VWAP, which I don't really like. So I don't like that area. We could get a little chopped in here. So I'm just going to be patient. I'm really waiting for gold to get out of this area. You know, get up in here or get below here. At this point, I'm just waiting for it to be in a whole different area right now. So that's gonna probably take another 15 to 20 minutes. Wow, Nas really trying to play games here on the push-up. Just push up. Just launch it. No mercy. Who cares if they didn't get in buys? No mercy. Just launch it. Right, chat? Launcher. Let's go. This 15-minute candle is struggling. I ain't never seen a struggle this bad in my life. Struggling like the economy struggling. Holy. Pick up the pace. My goodness. Still at 509. You was at 509 5 minutes ago. Oh my goodness. The patience, chat. The patience. Very annoying this candle was here. Very, very annoying. There we go. TP1 chat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. TP1. Let's go. Let's go, chat. TP1. All right, let's move stops to be at least above break even for the day. At least above break even. We have to put it at 222 in case we get slipped. Hey, you know how they be, chat? They be slipping us. The slips be crazy. Oh, we gotta play that future. We gotta play that future, yeah. I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for games. I blow the bag today. There we go. There we go. There we go. Launcher up here. We're going for 85 points. Up about 50 points right now. 50 points. Punday head. 50 points Punday head. Oh, shoot. There goes gold. All right. Gold's out of that area. So, yeah. All right. Gold's leaving without us, though. Gold's leaving without us, chat. No way gold could leave without us. I'll put stops at TP1. Stops are at TP1. I repeat. TP1. I mean, if we get a better launch here, we may be able to come up to here, but I mean, that's a wish and a prayer. 174 points. We need another TP right here then. TP2. TP2 could go right there. We can watch this on the 1 minute. Oh, there we go, chat. There we go. So that is that trade there. Trailed it at TP1. Over 50 points. Very nice. That was a good buy. Wish we stayed out of that gold sell, eh? That was a good buy. 243. Drag it up so you could see it. So that was gold, the loss on gold, and then this one was 243. My goodness. Let's see. Man, chat, if people came in here and actually learned how to do research and like actually learned how to read, it'd be crazy, right? be crazy if people actually read. Can you imagine people reading, chat? Like, if people start reading, I don't know, the world may be ending if people start reading. Ain't gonna lie. That may actually be scary. Maybe we don't want people to read. What was that? 243. Alrighty. Let's see what else we got here. Francis said, let's go. They see people making serious profits and they want to fake them out. You know how it goes. You gotta fake it out. Gotta go back towards most people's entry, break even areas. Gotta do a whole lot, alright? Somebody's gotta take the bait, yeah. Somebody's gotta take the bait, right? It is getting chopped, y'all. We may get chopped until 2 o'clock. I won't be surprised. I think I'm gonna take a break and come back to the market. I always get some really nice setups in the afternoon. Always. So yeah, I'm just looking at gold again here. Yeah, I did mention if gold closes above here, I may start to look for buys, but I didn't like it inside of this area. So yeah, I think I'm gonna take a look at the market a little bit later on. Okay. But before I go, let's share some things with you. I got something cool for you. So here's some things to help you out with rewiring your brain, putting happiness back into your heart, putting happiness back into your mind. When you need to distract yourself, when you can't stop thinking about something, like what can you do to help rewire your brain to get that out of your mind, right? To get a little break from life. So I'm going to pull it up here and you can take a screenshot of it. Okay, this is from Mind Essentials on Twitter. So again, go ahead and take a screenshot of this. Music rewires your brain. Let me know in the chat, anybody here listen to music to calm yourself down or to get a break or get a distraction? Chat, you know when you sing, whether you can sing or not, when you sing, it can make you happy. So don't be afraid to put on music and just sing, you know, sing like no one's watching, you know what I mean? Traveling, where are my travelers at? Who likes to travel? Anybody ever go out for a drive? You ever say, man, I'm gonna go for a run, I'm gonna go for a drive, right? You take yourself out of the location, go buy some scenery, go drive to the lake, drive to the park, you know what I mean? Reading's a great way to rewire your brain, but sometimes if you really can't get your mind off of something, it could be hard to read. So that's why we direct it back to music and traveling. Sunlight is the best thing, and the best thing to do is to go outside. I'm telling you, go to the park. You feel some type of way, go to the park, be in that sunlight, go take a walk around. You know, you put music on, right? You can combine all these things, chat. You can put music on in your ears, you can go to the park and walk outside. You're already combining it. A hug, right? Don't be afraid to give somebody a hug, chat. Laughing is a phenomenal way to cure sadness, depression, all the above, right? Put on something that's funny, put on something that makes you laugh, right? Stretching is phenomenal. It releases a lot of stress from your body. I'm telling you, stretching will change your life. If you stretch every day, right? Go to another room, or even if you're at work and you're getting stressed out, go in the bathroom, go stretch. Stretch at your desk. I promise you, chat, stretching is important. Deep sleep. Don't eat a lot of sugar before bed. The sugar is keeping you up. Keep away from the sugar. Meditation. We talk about meditation all the time. Community, right? You're in a community right now. You're on a live stream. You're with a community, right? This is a great way to distract yourself. Working out, we talk about. Natural food, we talk about. Forest walking, yeah, we talk about walking outside. Phone detoxing. You don't have to be on social media 24/7. But I do believe that there are plenty of things you can do on your phone to distract yourself, right? You can watch YouTube videos, you can watch a live stream, you can research something, you can watch videos, right? There's so many different things you can do on your phone, so just make it educational. All right, so yeah, that's what I wanted to share with you. Things that you can do to help yourself out here. You can combine all those things. Music's the only thing that engages both sides of the brain. Nice, yeah. Elton, you like to travel? Nice. The beach. Oh, yeah, Leslie, I love the beach. Yeah, they say water. So water is like when you get in the shower and you clean your body, yeah, you physically clean. But water clears your energy as well. So you ever get in the shower and you come out and you're like, right? You're like, damn, I feel nice, right? It's because water cleanses your energy. So they also say people who live near a lake, or if you go to a lake, if you go to a park with a lake, you go to the beach, right? Go sit near water. Sit by water. So if any of you have water near you, even just sitting near it, great way. Great way. Go put your headphones on, go sit by that water, go read a book, whatever you want to do. But yeah, chat, you know, we're always trying to give you advice here to help you out. I'm going to go eat some breakfast and take a little break from the market and come back and see what the market has to offer. See what trades I can get into. Alrighty. I hope everyone has a fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining me. Really appreciate it. We had a great stream today. No complaints. Great stream. It's a great morning. All right. I will catch you later. So thank you. Have a good day.
Para enloquecerme, pero voy a run the line. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got to stay away. Sí que como un trofeo quieres tenerme, pero I don't need no one. Que yo ya sé que es de ti. I got to stay away, got